Of course, I know a lot of interesting facts across various topics: science, history, technology, animals, and more. Here are a few fascinating ones. Space and science. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs over 3,000 years old. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. There's a planet made of diamonds. Scientists discovered 55 Concrete E, a super-Earth with a carbon-rich composition that may contain a diamond core. Animals and nature. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Crows can recognize human faces and hold grudges. They're incredibly intelligent and even use tools. Botanically, berries come from a single ovary, which bananas do, but strawberries don't. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Human body and mind. Your stomach acid can dissolve metal. It's strong enough to eat through zinc, but your stomach lining protects you. Due to spinal compression throughout the day, you can be up to 1 centimeter shorter by night. You're taller in the morning. The brain can't feel pain. It processes pain signals but has no pain receptors itself. Crazy science and space facts. A teaspoon of a neutron star weighs about 6 billion tons. Helium can become a superfluid near absolute zero, allowing it to climb walls and escape containers. There's a giant underground ocean trapped in a mineral called ringwoodite, 700 kilometers deep. The Sun makes up 99.86% of the solar system's mass. The mantis shrimp's claw accelerates at 83,000 feet per second squared, creating underwater shockwaves. Wild animal facts. A shrimp's punch is as fast as a bullet. Tardigrades can survive in space, extreme radiation, and even boiling lava. They've lived through all 5 mass extinctions. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Try it. Axolotls can regenerate their brains, hearts, and even spinal cords. Scientists study them for human medical breakthroughs. Human body and mind oddities. You swallow about 500 times adomously unconsciously. Your left lung is smaller than your right to make space for your heart. The human nose can detect 1 trillion different smells. You can't breathe and swallow at the same time. History and weird inventions. Cleopatra lived closer to the invention of the iPhone than to the building of the Great Pyramid. In 1923, a jockey won a race after death. His heart gave out mid-race, but his body stayed in the saddle. The shortest war in history was 38 minutes. Ancient Romans used urine as mouthwash. Tech and future stuff. The entire internet weighs about as much as a strawberry. A single Bitcoin transaction uses as much electricity as a U.S. household for 34 days. By 2030, there could be 1 trillion sensors on Earth. There's a lost planet hiding in our solar system's outer edges.